cauliflower rice. I'm shredding the cauliflower for the rice. Dicing up my red pepper. Green pepper will be going added as well. So I'm gonna be emptying this. Just inside the bowl. Cutting up my onions and garlic. Also some ginger will be added for my fried rice. Strip the skin off of my ginger. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrice and today I'm making something which is different today. I'm making cauliflower fried rice. I'm using cauliflower as the rice, and I already prepared and my ingredients. I have my cauliflower rice where I shredded it, and also I have some red and green pepper that I'll be using. Also some carrots as well. And here I have my onion, garlic, and ginger that I'm going to be using. Here are the oil that I will be using in this fried rice. It's sesame oil. Also, these are the sauces that I'm going to be using: oyster sauce and soy sauce. Also, black pepper for seasoning as well. I'm going to be adding 2 or 3 eggs inside my fried rice. So my pot here is being heated, so I'm going to add my sesame oil to the pot. Okay guys, and I'm going to be stir frying my garlic and onion and ginger, guys. I'm just stir frying this. Guys, this is something which is different and it's very lovely. It's a very lovely dish. X out the rice, guys. Okay. Let me turn that heat up because I want it to get that aroma in. Guys, it smells so good inside here already because the sesame oil just gives that. Having the ginger and the garlic and the onion smell amazing. Okay, next I'll be adding my carrots. To be using some mixed vegetables, so I'm going to be rinsing this mixed vegetable off. So I'm going to be adding my mixed vegetables. Vegetable is wet, so it has that sizzling in it. Okay guys, I will be adding my red and green pepper. Okay guys, it's time for me to add my cauliflower rice. Look at the color, guys. Beautiful. You know me, I like my color. And putting this cauliflower in here, the color just pops. You know, with all the reds and the yellows and the greens. I'm gonna add some slaw, some broccoli slaw to this as well. All vegetable. We almost always must try different dishes and try to do something creative, you know. We can't be eating the same thing all the time. We have to be creative in our kitchen. And this is creative. You cannot always eating the same thing every day. You have to change and bring something out like this. You know, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful dish of butter. Not too much. I'll just add on top of that. And I'm just gonna add my egg. Stir everything. Nice vegetarian dish. If you don't like egg, you can up the egg. You don't have to put the egg inside here. You could put your paneer or your soya, the tofu inside here. Anything you want to eat with chicken. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my sauces, my oyster sauce. I'm going to be adding my soy sauce. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful and lovely. The smell, my gosh, awesome. Let's check to see how this the one tastes. Yummy. So good. Little bit of soy sauce. Guys, this is great dinner, a great snack, great whatever you want to use it, however you want it. It's just great all together. Wow. Wow. It's all done. So I'm about to dish out my cauliflower stir fried. So, wow guys, lovely color. Ooh. And I'm gonna serve it with chicken on top. Watch me as I taste it, guys. How lovely it is. Mmm. So tasty, so flavorful. Mmm. So guys, this is to die for meal right now. So tasty, so flavorful. With all these vegetable come together and with all the sauces that I put in. OMG. This is a to die for dish. It's lovely. It's a lovely dish. It tastes amazing. I wish you could just taste the flavor that come into this dish right now. The beautiful dish, cauliflower rice stir fry. Beautiful. It's a beautiful meal. You will love this meal. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe. When you try, let me know how you like it. Okay guys? Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless.